In today's digital world, every successful business depends on a strong and reliable network infrastructure. Structured cabling is the foundation that powers communication, data transfer, and connectivity across your entire organization. Unorganized cabling systems can cause network downtime, slow internet speeds, and costly disruptions. Without proper infrastructure, your business productivity and security are always at risk. At Bluechip Computer Systems LLC, we provide professional structured cabling solutions in Dubai designed to support modern business operations. Our experts design, install, and maintain reliable network infrastructures tailored to your needs. Structured cabling organizes your entire network system into a standardized architecture. It ensures efficient communication between devices and keeps your infrastructure organized, scalable, and future-ready. Our services include office network and Wi-Fi cabling installation. We also handle CCTV cabling infrastructure and telephonic VoIP solutions. From fiber optic splicing to full-scale data center cabling solutions, we ensure every connection in your business works smoothly and efficiently. With structured cabling from Bluechip, your business benefits from improved network reliability. You get better performance, faster data speeds, and easier maintenance. Our solutions offer future scalability for growth and enhanced security for your sensitive data. We provide services across Dubai, including Business Bay, JLT, and Dubai Silicon Oasis. We also cover Dubai Marina, Al Barsha, Dera, and locations across the UAE. Businesses trust Bluechip Computer Systems LLC for reliable IT infrastructure solutions. Our experienced engineers and high-quality materials ensure your network is built to perform today and scale for tomorrow. Contact Bluechip Computer Systems LLC today and build a strong network foundation for your business. Call us at +971 55 626 0687 or visit our website. Like, share, and subscribe for more IT solutions. Stay connected with Bluechip Computer Systems LLC.